If you've forgotten your Google Photos password or need to reset it for any reason, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Google Sign-in page. Visit the Google Sign-in page on your web browser or open the Google Photos app. Click on Forgot Password to begin the password reset process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Google Photos account. Make sure it is correct, then click Next to proceed. Step 3. Verify your identity. Google will prompt you to verify your identity. This may involve receiving a verification code via email or SMS, answering security questions. Follow the instructions provided to confirm your identity. Step 4. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then enter it twice to confirm. Step 5. Sign in with your new password. After successfully resetting your password, return to the Google Sign-in page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created to access your Google Photos account. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Google Photos password and regain access to your account.